Lesson 1. Interface. To be more understood with Allplan, we will apply to a specific project in Vietnam. The case study will be a villa. We will create 3D architecture model for this villa, then create drawings, legends, reports for this project, and export to IFC format file in order to upload onto Allplan BIMless environment finally. Let's begin with the first lesson, Allplan's interface. You start your Allplan. Like other softwares, Allplan has its title bar, toolbar, working place viewports, and management palettes. There are certain types of interface in Allplan, and you can transfer between these types. Let's click on here and choose Show Menu Bar. Then View, Default Configuration, then select one in 4 interfaces that you need. The most common interfaces are Palette Configuration and Action Bar Configuration. Regarding palette configuration, tools are set up on the left side and right side. You can select tools you need. For Action Bar Configuration, select View, Default Configuration, then choose Action Bar Configuration. In this interface, tools are placed on top of the screen. We have roles that are disciplines from different kinds of users. In each role, there are tasks that include many groups of tools. By clicking this icon A window will appear. You can search tool to add from this box. Besides, you can remove tools you don't need by dragging and dropping them out of range of Action Bar. In the last step, you click Save to finish. Next, I will talk about the object management palettes. There are certain palettes that are in charge of different important management tasks, so I'll mention them in more detail in the other videos. The rest of the interface is working places or viewports. We are able to modify the size, position of viewports by dragging and dropping. Moreover, you can modify the numbers of viewport by clicking here and choosing one of the styles you want. For example, we have 3 viewports including a 3D view, an elevation view, and a plan view. And objects you create will be displayed on these viewports.